Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it's week 3 of our Cleanish challenge, and today we're actually going to stay here in my bedroom and be focusing on our closet. So if you follow me on Instagram, you may already know that my closet's already organized, and you may have already seen the different systems that I have in place, bins, different things in there. But we are actually going to be focusing on capsule wardrobes. So what is a capsule wardrobe? Capsule wardrobes consist of all 4 seasons. So you get your summer, spring, winter, and fall outfits. And with that, it's usually around 30 to 40 items that you keep within each collection. And this collection is just going to be your basics, just your like basic black tops, different things that you can mix and match. Also, when I was researching about capsule wardrobe, your 30 to 40 pieces do not include your intimates, so your undergarments, your sports bras, different things like that, or also your night clothes or workout clothes. It's a difference between like your active wear that you wear out as opposed to the activewear that you work out in. So just keep in mind of that. So if you are kind of like me, just a sporty type, you like the sporty vibes, and you have a lot of different active wear that you probably don't wear with working out all the time, then you might want to pare that down. But if you have a certain amount that you just work out in, that's fine. You do not have to include that in the capsule wardrobe. Even though here in Nashville we do have all 4 seasons, I'm actually just going to create 2 different styles. I'm going to do my spring and summer, and then I'm going to jump into my winter and fall. I kind of already have something like that. So if you've seen my systems, I have lower bins. I throw like my seasonal clothes in, and then I pull up top and put all my current season clothes in. But I actually just want to pare it down and focus on the 30 to 40 items within each collection, just to pare down and make my closet a little more minimal. And also, to be honest, a lot of the clothes that I have in there, I don't even really wear. I just have them because it's just what if I need this. So that's what we're about to do. I am about to take y'all into the closet, kind of show you the systems, how they're working for me, and then going in, decluttering, and getting rid of a lot of the items that I don't wear, and creating this capsule wardrobe that will take me from season to season. All right, so here we are going into my closet. Don't mind that, guys. I was putting away my clothes from vacation, and that just hasn't gone up yet. But these right here are some of my bins in here that I showed y'all before, but these bins are starting to get very messy, and I just need to organize it a lot better and actually take out stuff that I don't use and don't even wear anymore. And then here, these are just different things, items of clothes. Like I said, I am washing right now, so that's why there's a lot of empty hangers in here. But I'm going to be pulling all this out, seeing what I don't use, what I like, what I could keep. And then down here are my seasonal clothes down here, which I will, since it's now becoming warmer in the springtime, I'm going to pull out all my winter summer clothes, put them down here, and then pull out all my spring clothes, put them here, get everything together, and then over here do the same. all of the clothes that we have to go through. So come along with me and let's get this down to size and pick out our capsule wardrobe and staple pieces out of this bunch. All right guys, so I am going to actually go through all of these clothes here, see what I want to keep, what I want to donate in my maybe pile. So if you remember in the beginning of the Cleanish challenge, if you downloaded that Cleanish guide, there was a file in there that had your keep, donate, trash. If you print those out, we'll just have those piles here. So then all the ones that are going to be donated, we'll just toss those out and take those to Goodwill or our local thrift store. Let's go ahead and get this together. White are a keep, I just got those. These are a keep. These are a maybe. I don't know if these work anymore. Let me try those on. Let's see. These are a maybe as well. Try those on. I love this top. This is gonna be a keep for the fall, so that's keep. So I am in the process of sorting everything out. I pulled out these are my like winter fall boots, but I'm also gonna put like my tennis shoes and stuff in there because I don't have that much space in my closet for those. I just have my heels stacked. And then these are my work / fall stuff, some of my spring stuff coming out here. This is winter. And then I have over here my t-shirts that I pared down to get the ones that I'm going to keep. And I have sweatshirts, socks I need to go through. Just still a lot more to go through, but we're getting closer because I know what is going, what's keeping, and then these are my clean clothes that I need to go through and sort. So guys, I am almost done sorting out everything. I still have big piles back here. I have stuff here, but I think I'm making progress. It is a lot harder to sort through your things to try to find what you really need, what you want to make this capsule wardrobe. But I think that I'm narrowing it down. Right now I have my keep, donated, maybe piles going. So when I get those, I'll see what's all in my keep, what's all in my maybe. And then from there, I will just count like, okay, what's spring, what's winter, and fall stuff. And I'm going to pull out stuff that I don't need and make these piles. See you in a minute. Bye. All right, so we have it down a little bit more. These are all my work blazers and jackets, some work pants, lounge pants, work tops. Then we have regular jeans there we're gonna keep, regular jackets and denim jackets. This is winter, summer. More winter. This is, well, hats and some winter stuff in here that I'm gonna go through. I just have to refold these. These are my socks, and these are my pile of winter clothes. So this pile is over the 30 to 40 items because I have this pile, and then some that are in there. So I'm gonna go in and sort through these, see what we're gonna keep and these, and then get rid of what does not make it. These down here at the bottom. So this right here is all my winter clothes, my hats and scarves. This is my paint clothes and workout clothes. In here, that's one of my paint sweatshirts, and you can see the back there, my paint shorts. This is my summer, like my bathing suits, swimwear stuff, and then these are shoes. I have my overflow shoes in here, and then down below are like all my boots and stuff that I don't wear. Then I have these tags on here that I'm gonna label these bins later. And then up here are some of my workout leggings, my short sleeve tops, shorts. This is my hair stuff, and socks in this one, and then above are all my heels. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hang all my clothes back here. This deck in here, and I like to do it by color, so let me just put all these in here. guys, so this is the final look of my closet. This is my spring and summer capsule wardrobe. I went in and grabbed my staple pieces that I like to keep and use for the spring summer, and threw out what did not fit in the capsule wardrobe. I have a few shorts and skirts in here, some shirts here, my leggings, and then again, these are my intimates here. I have my workout clothes right in here, and then down here is all my sleepwear. These are my winter, this is everyday ones as well. Oh yeah, and I put my scarves in that corner too, just so I can have those a little more easier access, and then our pants can slide all the way out there if I need more room. But yeah, that's my closet, guys. Let me know what you think. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all soon. Bye. Whoa! Way too much stuff. Okay, let me put that back up.